I think from a user's perspective, what they want from any technology is they want it to be as simple and easy to use as possible. And I think that if you start to put restrictions in people's way, in the fact that they need to be tapping icons on a screen before they can do everything, then I think that would act as a barrier and would deter from the technology. So by using peer-to-peer so that we can all have lots of applications on our mobile devices and use any of them any time that we want without having to select anything, I think that will make the technology much easier for people to use, and it will make it more appealing, and I think longer term that will actually create more opportunities for all of us. Being a silver sponsor of WEMA NFC USA is absolutely imperative to us. Most of our business, even though we're UK based, is actually in North America and Canada. So this is an absolutely excellent shop window for us and is unparalleled as far as we can see. So it's an essential component to our marketing strategy to be here. Yeah, certainly the application that we showed last year for e-provenance, which was recording the temperature and humidity of fine wines and then allowing users with NFC mobile phones to interact with that, was tremendously well received last year, and there was loads of interest. But what we've now seen is that that's translated into real interest in the marketplace as well. So e-provenance as a company is now going to the chateaus and the wine producers, and they are seeing a lot of interest from those companies, because not only can they assure the quality of their product, but also it's giving them an avenue to use NFC to interact with their consumers. So their consumers can now interact with the product and open up links for communications between the wine producer and the wine consumer, which has never happened before. So really things have changed dramatically in the last 12 months. Well, Tagomatic is really quite interesting because traditionally NFC smart posters for advertising would just use a passive tag in which the data is static in the tag. So it might go to a website or some information point. But once you apply that to digital signage where the visual content is changing all of the time, then a tag with static content is no longer applicable. But Tagomatic, it can be linked to the digital signage, and therefore the NFC content can be updated in real time with the visual content. So you can have adverts from lots of different companies, and the NFC content, when somebody touches that touch point, is always completely relevant to what they're actually looking at on the sign.